What's up everybody? Simon here with Tech Visibility. In this episode, I am super excited to go over the Sony LinkBuds with the open ear design. These are geared towards transparency and hearing calls all around you. Basically, these are supposedly the best possible all-around earbuds you could get. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox and review them, compare them to some of the other earbuds that I've had on the channel. You can check out a lot of my other earbud reviews. There are plenty, but the Sony LinkBuds are very popular. I'm excited, very excited. This is the gray version. These go for about $178 on Amazon. The link is below. They have pretty decent reviews, over 600, about 4-star reviews. So I'll give you my honest feedback if these are going to be great. And we're going to get into this. Now, before that, I open these up, test them, play some music, make a call. I ask that you guys show some support. Like this video, it helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you have not done so already. And check out techvisibility.com. That's our website for the latest product news and reviews. Thank you. Let's get into this. So the Sony LinkBuds are just that. They're supposed to have a very unique design of having an opening in the middle for transparency. The box is pretty simple. They're compatible with your iPhone, iPad, obviously your Android. They have Alexa built in, Google Voice Assistant. Now you get about 5.5 hours of battery time plus 12 hours on the charging case. It gives you about 17.5 hours of battery time. With a 10-minute charge, you could get 90 minutes of playback. So here is the box. There's a little tab here that we need to cut open with my trusted box cutter, I guess, or blade. Let's see how we can open these buds up. All right, so let's get that on the side. Just basic gray box, pretty neat. Another box to open, and this one opens a lot easier, just like that. Now they give you a few different sizes, and the mediums are included in there. And look at this little case. I mean, that's amazing, guys. Check this out. That is tiny. Is that for real? I've never seen anything like that. That is for real. Look at these. These are so small. Are you kidding? This is the Sony LinkBuds. So here they are inside the packaging. Of course, there are more things in here. You have your extra tips and connectors. There's quite a few. So different sizes. And then you have your USB-A to USB-C and instruction manual. Not a big fan of the way they designed this packaging. It's very compact, just like the earbuds themselves, but it's a little bit too much in my opinion, or too tight. There are other companies' packaging that I prefer. Sony and other brands always have a lot of warnings. This is the guarantee for equipment. All right. And an access code for a free trial for music service. Okay. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all that it came with. So we're okay with that. Let's go ahead and pair these up. Now, the case is tiny. The magnet is very interesting. This loops in to give you a better hold in the ear. Here's that opening that they have. And this is the right. You can see there's an R there. And this is the left, okay? So now there's a green light that shows pairing. So the left and the right, these are so weird. I don't even know how to pop it in. Wow, look at this, guys. I mean, that's how they look in the ear. It's amazing. They feel very interesting. There's like a hole. It's like almost you have a little straw in your ear, and I could feel them in there, but there's a hole that passes through to your eardrum. Small case. I mean, this case is tiny. Look how little this case is in comparison to even the second generation AirPods. And this is a little, button here to open it and an indicator. Let's get these paired up with my phone. And you see here on the phone, it just says LinkBuds. So I'm going to pair them up. and I hear it. It's connected, and it says an app to install. Okay, we can install the app, and here on the Sony app, you could connect the LinkBuds and go to the dashboard. So now you're installed with the LinkBuds as well, and it tells you the battery life on each on the Sony app, which you should use, and the case has 56% battery life as well. Now it is getting an update for the headphone software. Once it finishes updating, I'll go ahead and play some music. You just tap your eardrum. It's pretty, or your little ear here, this part of your ear. Watch this. You see that? It tells you how to do it. All right, let's play some music. That's the most important part, guys. It's fun to have earbuds that are pretty innovative and cool, and these have that transparency mode. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is listen, and I'm gonna see if they compare to, say, the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, or even the Beats Pro Fits, which are some of my favorite out, even the AirPods Pro, the Amazon Echo earbuds. I really love those. The Tozo T6s were pretty good. I'm about to test the Earphone Pro 2s, which are supposedly good. I've tested a lot of different earbuds, and I'm excited to see what the Sony LinkBuds do, because this case is excellent. Now, you don't get much battery life out of it in terms of comparing it to some of the other earbuds that are up to 30 hours of battery life, etc. But 17.5 is not bad with the charge case, and 5.5 with the earbuds themselves per earbud. We're gonna listen first to a rap song. I'm gonna give you my perspective. I just have to pick it out here, and obviously we have to play some royalty-free music, but I'll give you a perspective.
See, Rich. Hey. Plotting on the majors, trying to make it.
All right, very clear. Not as loud, guys. So it's because there's nothing that's covering your earbud for the noise canceling. I can hear myself talk completely. Not much bass, okay? The rap song's playing. In fact, I'm not getting much bass out of these at all. If you're looking for bass, do not get these. I think these are great for audiobooks. I think these are great, say, if you're working in an office and you need to hear Betsy on the side yelling at you about some paper. These are perfect, okay? Because you could listen to your stuff, you could still hear what she's saying, and it sounds pretty clear. These do sound clear, there's just no bass. It doesn't feel like you're immersed in the sound. I'm not a big fan of them in terms of music. However, if I'm listening to an audiobook, I'm in the office, these are perfect because they provide transparency, and that's exactly what you want in a setting where you need to be able to listen to people talk, okay? These may also be great for any type of skiing you're doing or any type of exercising where you still want to hear what's surrounding you, hear yourself speak, and listen to great music. And on the LinkBuds, it shows that I'm maxed out on volume, and they're just not that loud, to be honest with you. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and play another song. This song is more so for acoustics and not necessarily rap. The rap part of the song did not do the LinkBuds justice, okay? They were not, in my opinion, of quality in terms. So small. Clear sound. Now I'm playing something without bass. They sound great. You're just not gonna get that bass, okay, with these LinkBuds. But the music sounds very crystal clear. On this next song I'm playing, again, are they the best earbuds for $180? No way. I don't feel immersed in the music for that price. I've probably tested earbuds that are under $50 that compete with these earbuds, okay? So it's great if you're talking and you're listening, but aside from that, these are not audiophile earbuds where you're immersed in the music. Now I'm gonna make a phone call. This is what these are all for, and I think these are gonna be great. So let me go ahead and make a phone call right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Simon here at Tech Visibility. Hey. Just calling to see if you could hear me great. These are the Sony LinkBuds that I'm testing. These are supposed to be made for a lot of talking and audiobooks and some music, but with transparency.
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
You can hear me great. Good. Yeah, you sound great, and I actually could hear you really well. So for talking, these are excellent.
Yeah, I can tell.
All right, I appreciate you picking up.
Sure,
Thank you.
You bet.
Okay, so I hung up. I think these are great for talking. I don't think these are great for straight audiophile music. These aren't the earbuds I would go for if I'm putting on music before a match, or if I'm putting on a song that I want to get amped, or if I'm working out. But I think if you're sitting in a cubicle or an office or somewhere like a coffee shop and you're eavesdropping on someone else's conversation, these are probably the earbuds for you to have, where you look like you're disguising your earbuds. Yes, you have these cool earbuds in, but you could hear everybody else around you. So that's pretty much the review and unboxing of the Sony LinkBuds. The links below, they're about $180. You could get these on Amazon. You could get these on the Sony website. If you enjoyed this honest review, give us a like. It's the biggest favor you could do for us. Subscribe to our channel and check out techvisibility.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you here in the next video. I am impressed with this tiny case. I really am. The earbuds are so-so. It really depends what you're using them for. Thanks.